Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me DJI OM 5 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record horizontal videos using this gimbal. So vertical videos you can record by default, but how we can use this gimbal to record the horizontal videos? To do it, you just need to rotate your device in the other side. So you can just rotate it in this way, and that's it. And now you can record the video. So thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.